Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in music sentiment with a score of plus 0.52, significantly above the historical baseline. This indicates a strong positive shift in how listeners are experiencing music today. The momentum is also compelling at plus 0.48, suggesting this sentiment isn't just a flash in the pan, it's gaining traction. Our API returns detailed insights on music sentiment, including semantic clusters, that help you understand the underlying themes driving this positivity. For instance, you could leverage this data to tailor marketing strategies for an upcoming album release, ensuring your campaigns resonate with the current mood of listeners. Want to dive deeper? Check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs for more information on harnessing sentiment data in your projects.